TermScout helps people and businesses understand contracts. For people, we offer free services, like this passenger guide to flying on Frontier Airlines, which helps you understand what you need to know before you book, before you pack, and when something goes wrong while you're traveling. If you're a business, we offer paid services that range from lightweight, basic reports covering only the most important things in a contract to premium reports covering just about anything you'd ever want to know about a contract, all the way up to industry reports showing how different competitors' contracts compare within an industry. We've also developed the world's first ever system for numerically rating contracts and comparing them against top competitors, so buyers can get a snapshot understanding of how fair a company's contracts are. Finally, for companies who are serious about treating their customers fairly, we offer consulting services to help them make their contracts the best in the industry, and certification and other licensing services to help them communicate that. It's one thing to have great contracts, it's even better to have an independent third party certify it. We're TermScout, scouting terms since 2018.